The reason why majority of you are not where you want to be in life is because you don't know how to sit down, shut the fuck up, do the work, and actually listen to someone who is further along in the game. To get to this point in time, I had to humble myself, put my hand up for help, and ask for a mentor who was 23 years old that had a multi-million-dollar company to inspire me and show me a better way than what I had in my current reality at university and working a part-time job. And some of you are so arrogant and in your ego and think you fucking know everything, which is a defense mechanism to protect yourself from understanding that you don't know enough and that you're not where you want to be in life. So you protect yourself by being ignorant and arrogant and lying to yourself about where you are and your situation to make yourself feel comfortable. Like, oh, I'm doing really good. Like, oh, I've got all this money. Yeah, we're doing pretty good. Everything's rosy, when the reality is you probably got less than $10,000 in your bank account and you know it. But you tell everybody else that you're fucking killing it. You talk shop with the boys. You talk this big game when you're out on the weekend, when deep down inside you have this underlying inadequacy and this void that you want to fill inside because you know that you're not living your purpose and to your full potential. You know that you have more inside of you, but it's your ego that blocks you from actually reaching out for help, humbling yourself, asking someone that's further along, that has the result in the field and area of where you want to be, so that you can learn and grow. It's how we learn. We went to school, we learned from a teacher that taught us that fucking failure was bad. Yet when we go to get a coach or mentor online who's making more money than us, even if they're from the same background as us, all of a sudden we've got this ego. It's like, come on, drop the fucking ego. Do you want to set your family free? Do you want to live a life of abundance and financial freedom? Well, humble yourself, ask for help, reach out, and that's how I got to where I am. I've had over 10 mentors. I would be arrogant to say that right now I haven't had help. I've definitely had help. I've done the work. I've had the drive and tenacity, and I've reached out to these people and put the energy out into the world and set the intentions. But these people have given me a massive helping hand. The books I've read, the podcasts, the 150,000 I've invested into mentors and coaches and learning meditation, all of that has shaped me into who I am today and doing the fucking work. Sitting down, shutting up, doing the work is the most fucking underrated thing in 2023. It's what you need to learn. It's to sit down, shut up, focus, do the work. This game is not rocket science. This game is so simple. You don't even need to be smart to make all this money and run these businesses. How many people out there do you know that you're more talented than, smarter than, more equipped, and you're probably ahead more in your finances, yet they come from overseas, immigrants or people that have been through more adversity than you, yet they end up having it all because they fucking want it. They put in the work, they focus, they take action, they dedicate themselves to their craft, and they are obsessed with getting what they want, and they're humble enough to admit that they need help and they need coaches and mentors and other people who can show them a better way.